Why does your scanner show the P0074 engine code? What does it mean? P0074 is a diagnostic trouble code for ambient air temperature sensor circuit A, intermittent or erratic. The P0074 engine code indicates that ECU is receiving erratic, inconsistent, or on and off electrical signals from the sensor that measures the outside temperature. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Damaged or corroded wiring, loose or corroded connectors, faulty AT sensor, sensor exposed to the elements, faulty ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Chevrolet, GMC, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel